In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a freehand drawing to your Google Doc. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone looking to add a little creative flair to your documents, learning how to incorporate freehand drawings can be a fun and useful skill. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your Google Doc where you plan to insert that custom drawing. Once you've got it up, turn your attention to the menu at the top of your screen. You're going to locate the option labeled Insert. It's usually positioned a few options in, right after File and Edit. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several choices. Here, you'll find an option for Drawing. Slide your cursor over to Drawing, and a side menu will pop up to the right. Click on New, which will open up a blank canvas for you to work your magic on. This canvas is where you'll create your masterpiece, giving you a dedicated space to let your creativity flow right within your Google Doc. Now that you have your drawing canvas open, it's time to kickstart the creation process. At the top of the canvas, you'll see a range of tools. Your attention needs to be on the Line tool, which is typically found on the toolbar, often resembling a slanted line. Click on the little arrow next to it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll spot an option called Scribble. Go ahead and select Scribble from this menu. Choosing Scribble enables you to draw freehand on the canvas using your mouse, touchpad, or stylus if you have one available. Simply click and hold, then drag across the canvas to begin sketching your design. You can create whatever shapes or lines you need with the flexibility of a pen or pencil. It's perfectly fine to be as detailed or as simple as you prefer. The Scribble feature captures the nuances of a freehand drawing, allowing you to communicate ideas visually in a way that words alone sometimes can't. Once you've put the finishing touches on your drawing and you're satisfied with the results, it's time to incorporate it into your document. At the top right of the drawing interface, you'll notice two buttons surrounded by blue: Save and Close. Clicking Save and Close simultaneously preserves your drawing and seamlessly places it directly into your Google Doc. Your document now boasts a unique touch thanks to the personalized drawing, providing a visual element that enhances the content. Whether it adds clarity to an explanation or simply ups your document's aesthetic appeal, the ability to insert freehand drawings opens up a whole new set of possibilities. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to create and insert a freehand drawing into a Google Doc. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing!